Uh-oh, something's wrong. Looks like the headlight's dead. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing a busted headlight on a 2005 Porsche Cayenne. Now, before we start, make sure you buy quality headlights. Headlights are very essential on your driving, especially when you're driving at night. You don't want your headlights dying on you while you're driving. That can be very dangerous. The first thing we need to do is locate your headlight housing removal tool. That tool is located in your trunk, underneath the trunk lid, along with your other emergency tools. This is the specific Porsche tool that you need, and if you don't have it, you can buy it at a Porsche dealer, eBay, or Amazon. Or if you don't want to, you can try to use a 6mm hex socket, but you need the long one because you need to reach the headlight housing screw. The headlight screw is located behind this plastic cover. To remove this plastic cover, you just have to put a screw on the outer side and you can flip it open. Just like that. That screw in there is what we need to twist. You need to twist it clockwise to release the headlight housing. Now I will insert the socket tool and twist it clockwise, and you will see the headlight move a little forward. Twisting it clockwise. And you see it is releasing the headlight housing. Pull the headlight housing all the way out. The headlight is located behind this cover, so we need to remove the cover before replacing the headlight. With a flathead screwdriver, release the fastener for the housing cover. And open the housing cover and you will see the headlight. Now push the pin forward and raise it up to release the headlight bulb. Pull off the connector and now you can pull off the headlight. Get the new headlight bulb. Make sure you do not touch the glass part, as these are very sensitive to moisture. Here's a side-by-side comparison again. As you know, I like comparing all the new parts. Now insert the new headlight bulb. Be careful not to touch sides. Push in the retainer clip and lock it in its place. So this is something I found out right now that I want to share with everyone else so that you are aware. This headlight housing, the headlight holder, has a notch here. Now if you buy a headlight, make sure that your headlight has a notch. So this is the top and this is the notch. The new one I bought, this is the top and the notch is on the other side. You need a notch on this side, just like this one. So although it would fit because the fastener is going to hold it in place, it will not sit completely on the headlight holder because of that notch. So make sure it has a notch on this side, not on that side. Luckily, I have a spare original one that I can put in. So with this one, let's see. Yeah, this one has the correct notch area here versus this one without it. So we'll put in the original spare. We just push it in. Lock the fastener for the headlight bulb. Put the connector. And put the headlight housing cover. Put in the fasteners again. And it's ready to reinstall. To reinstall the headlights, we have to align the bottom with the housing guides and push it back in its position. After pushing it back in its position, turn it counterclockwise until you hear a strong snap. Don't worry, it's not going to be breaking. It's just a snap for locking it in place. There you go. Then put back the plastic cover for the headlight screw. And you're done. And that is how you replace a broken headlight bulb on a 2005 Porsche Cayenne. Now, to be honest, I'm quite disappointed that even though I bought quality headlights or quality brands, it didn't fit right. So thank goodness I always prepare for the worst case scenario, and I had a spare that fits correctly on the car. So let that be a lesson that even with quality headlights, it's not always a perfect fit. So this has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.